Hi Glamazons, welcome back to my channel. It's Meek again. Okay, today I want to do a review basically of one of my weekend bags, which is this one here, as you can see. It's a kind of like nautical inspired bag, and it's a weekend bag that I've used a few times. Let me just show you. I've like stuffed it with stuff so that you can get an idea. This is how it looks. I got it from this South African store called Mr. Price. This is how it looks, like that. I wish it was nautical also from the back with the stripes, but it isn't. I suppose that's fine. I've stuffed it with some clothes so you can see it's fully stuffed. It's definitely one of these types of bags where it's like, it does the job that it needs to do, but it is actually quite small. So I've used it when I've gone on weekend breaks away with my husband, like for the weekend. And this is what it can basically fit in. Number one, it can fit in a swimming costume, so like a bikini or a sort of like a standard bathing suit. Number two, it can fit in like an iPad or a large kind of Surface tablet if you have that. So that's fine, that can fit in there, but it can't fit a laptop in there. It's not big enough. Number three, it can fit in your, like obviously your wallet, and it can fit in a sort of standard sized pouch. I don't know if some of you have seen like the pouches on Chanel's website. That I have an ASOS pouch that's like the same size as those Chanel pouches. It can fit in that as well. Number four, it can fit in about, I think, 3 outfits if you roll them quite well. Obviously, clothes that have to be dry cleaned to a certain degree, like you shouldn't just like be rolling those up. But I live in a hot country where we exist off cotton, and cotton is great for being breathable, but it also can be like, it can be packed in a way that saves a lot of space inside the weekend bag. So I've stuffed it with some clothes in here just so that you can see. There's also this sorry, it's a bit awkward, but there is also this like strap here that I will just pull out. So this is obviously, there are like 2 of them, whatever, they're here. And this is obviously to like pull on your shoulder if you want. I prefer just carrying it like this, kind of like a briefcase whenever I've been going on trips and stuff. This bag, it's a good weekend bag in terms of it being just like a sort of standard weekend bag. I really like the aesthetic of the navy, like nautical stripes. It's quite interesting with the brown. You don't normally think of brown when you think of like nautical bags or things like that. But the problem is, it probably is just too small. Particularly if you're a woman who loves fashion, you want to wear different outfits. So if you're going away for like a weekend and you want like to wear an outfit for Monday, like for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and let's say you need different outfits, maybe you need a conservative outfit and you need a few sort of standard outfits, and then perhaps you need a modest outfit. It's probably not good for that, because you can fit stuff in there, but it's not great, because for me, I can't just put in like clothes. I also have to have makeup, which comes to my next point number 4. So yeah, you can fit in a makeup bag slash vanity, or small vanity, or a pouch for your makeup. I need to have makeup, and I need to have my skincare, and I need to have my masks and my face washes and stuff. So it can come across quite bulky. Like in here, I've put in just like a skirt and a top, and you can see already, even though it's not like filled up at the top, it can look bulky. I just think when you're doing reviews, like you need to show the bag when it's full, because that gives you like a better idea of how it looks. So yeah, this is basically the weekend bag that I got. I've had it for a bit now. I've been thinking about doing a review for a while. So when it comes to weekend bags, I think my suggestion is get something a little bit bigger. As you can see the dimensions of this, it's not that big. It's just kind of standard, basically. It's not really that big, but I would get a bigger bag. So I'm actually on the lookout for another weekend bag slash bigger bag for weekend trips or for going away. And I would definitely get something bigger, but this one does the trick for like a 3-day trip or a 2-day trip. You could also use it for business trips, but again, it's just not big enough. What do you like when you are basically shopping for a weekend bag? What types of things do you look for in weekend handbags or weekend luggage? Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my videos. I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Peace.